This set of custom painted side mirror covers will fit all 2014 through 2018 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra trucks. These covers feature our signature graphic with your choice of custom designed airbrush artwork, your choice of candy color, and a bright complementary outline pinstripe, all painted with the absolute best quality House of Color paint and supplies. Simple and designed for anyone to be able to install. Simply follow the directions with the supplies included, remove the backing from the double-sided tape, and get ready to install your newly custom painted parts. We also offer tow mirror covers for this generation of trucks, as well as many other exterior and interior ready-to-install custom painted parts on our website at customairbrushart.com.